When you do whatever it is that you're doing, dear Gemini, with an agenda, it always ends up as a slap in the face. And I feel like you know this. And I feel like you also ignore the fact that you know it. Maybe you ignore the fact that you know it because you're hoping it could be different this time. You're hoping that you could get a different result. And this is the issue. I'll give you as an example because I'm not sure what it is you're doing that's agenda driven. I just know that each time you do this thing that is agenda driven, it feels like a slap in the face. There's disappointment. There's the I never want to feel like this again type of conversation. There's the I feel let down, or people keep letting me down, or people, so on and so forth. Right, it's not about right or wrong, good or bad. Okay, I'm just going to put this on the table because it's unconscious for you, so that you can then go, okay, what is it about this that I need to look at, and what do I need to do, or and so on. It's not that people are letting you down as much as you're in certain relationships with an agenda. And what you need to get clear about is, what's my agenda? It doesn't mean you're a bad person. It doesn't mean everybody has agendas. It's more that whatever your relationship you're in with an agenda is always going to end up with disappointment, a slap in the face, and so on and so forth. So your opportunity right now is to get super clear and recognize and be real with yourself about your own agendas in different relationships. And the first and most important piece is just being honest with yourself. The rest, sure, we'll talk about as we move forward over time. But the most important piece is going to be, okay, this is the agenda that I have in this particular relationship, and leave it there for a couple of moments.